Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create your own progress bar with the help of Canva. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Canva and then just go here and look for the video option from the home page of Canva. So just select this one and just go here and select this one. So after this page opens up, just go to the elements section and write shape. So after you type shapes, this page will open up and just go for this shape here. Just resize it a bit and just change the color of it to blue. So I'll just lock this one. Wait a minute. So before locking, just duplicate this page and just lock this one and just go here and change the color of this one to red. So after you change the color, just head over here to the animation section. So we have to like choose this one here, the wipe option. So as you can see, this option here will like work as a progress bar. So in order to set the speed of your progress bar, you will have to go here and you'll see the speed option, for which you will need the Canva Pro subscription. So with Canva Pro subscription, you will be able to adjust your progress bar speed and it will look as a proper progress bar. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.